everybody, you're watching Michigan Farmer 421. I'm Clyde, and today we are going to be trying to fix this fluorescent light. So now there are many different ways we could fix this light. I believe we've already changed out the bulbs, kind of like those bulbs there. Hopefully, maybe you can see it, maybe not. All right, and the next thing we would do to try to fix it is to replace the ballast. These lights have ballast to kind of like change the electricity current. Something, I don't know, 120 to 277. One of these things, okay? To install that, we would have to take off the plastic thing, lower the bulbs, and take off the inside panels to access it. So that is actually what I'm going to do. And we'll open it up to see if everything's okay. We'll take out the old one, put in the new one, and see if it works. So here we go. Okay, I got it opened up here. And that is the part we're trying to change. Kind of complicated, kind of not. Good way to put it, as everything's been replaced. So now we just need to take it out and put a different one in. Alright, we now got the cover back on, and I'm going to say that it was a success. So it was the ballast, which is, I'll come over here, which is this thingy. I did change brands, so we'll see how long they last, but now this one, it doesn't look to be bad, but it is bad. So they come and go. You know, it's something I'm not new to. We do replace them quite a bit. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you're new here, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.